Hello there, this is Aisha. In this video, we are going to learn how to install Composer. So, let's get started. First, type install Composer. Now, this is Composer official website, getcomposer.org. Click on this link. Okay. We say Composer is a dependency manager for PHP. So, you must have PHP installed on your system. Now go to download. Here we have lots of documentation. We can see download Composer latest version 1.10.8. Windows installer. The installer will download Composer for you and set up your path environment variable. So you can simply call Composer from any directory, download and run composer setup.exe. It will install the latest Composer version wherever it is executed. So click on this. Download composer setup.exe. Open download folder. Here we can see composer setup.exe downloaded. Click on it. Composer can be installed for all users, requires administrative privileges or for you only. Click install for all users. Here we can see installation options. Choose your installation type. Setup will install Composer to a fixed location for all users. This includes a control panel installer and is the recommended options. Click next to use it. You can check developer mode, but for now, next. Setting check. You need to check your PHP and other settings. Choose the command line PHP you want to use. This is the PHP in your path. Click next to use it. So, next. Proxy setting. Choose if you need to use a proxy. Use a proxy server to connect to internet. For now, next. Ready to install. Setup is now ready to download Composer and install it on your computer. Please review these settings. Click install to continue with the installation. PHP version 7.4.7 install. Okay, now downloading Composer. Wait for a while. Running the Composer installer script. Okay, some information. Please read the following information before continuing. Important. You must open a new command window to use Composer for the first time because your environment has changed and running programs may not be aware of this. If this does not work, you will have to do one of the following. Close all File Explorer windows, then open a new command window, or log off and log on again. Then open a new command window. As a last resort, you may need to restart your computer. Okay, next. Completing Composer setup. Setup has installed Composer on your computer. You just open a command window and type Composer. Click Finish to exit setup. Or you can see View Online Documentation. For now, finish. Okay, our Composer has installed. Now we can check if Composer installed or not. So go to CMD. Type Composer. Enter. Okay. Now we can see Composer version 1.10.8 installed. And there are so many options available here. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and share if you like the video. Bye.